It's a cloudy day today, which is good because hopefully it won't be as hot. We are going to take a boat tour and maybe to a cave.
Ninh Binh is known as Holland Bay on land, and today we're going to see some of that using a little boat to take us all around.
Yep. Your bro's hanging up too.
We put all of our clothes in a laundry service. We just spotted all of our underwear hanging out for everyone to see.
So let's go explore Ninh Binh today. We just got tickets for the boat tour. They are 1.1 million dong for all of us. Not too bad. Well, apparently you don't just walk up and get on a boat, because that's what we just tried to do. Now let's go try and figure out the right way to do it.
Apparently there's a line. I was trying to just jump right on.
First come, first serve, baby. I don't know if you know, but the schnugs don't wait in lines, all right? We go to the front. We want service. I'm joking. Apparently we're going on a river cruise today. Although this cruise is more like a boat ride, a canoe boat, rowed by somebody who works here. So they gave us a map. Apparently it looks like there's some stops on here, but we'll find out. Well, now I can't decide what's worse. After doing a little reading, I found out that this is 3 hours long. It's definitely worth the $40, but now I can't decide if I'm more upset that we spent $40 or more upset that we're gonna be on a boat with kids for 3 hours. Another canoe boat ride.
Xin chào from Trang An. Awesome team, hee hee hee. Awesome team, hee hee hee. We're coming up to our very first stop.
Fish right here.
Whoa, there's a lot of fish in there.
So I wore short shorts on this boat trip, and therefore I am not allowed in any of the temples today. So see that? Short shorts. But it's okay, I can still look from the outside and go in all the caves. My fault. Also mom's. Haha.
Hello. Xin chào. It takes a little bit of effort to get to Ninh Binh and one crazy car ride for us. But once you're here, it's so worth it.
We're going towards the cave.
So our little lady told us we have to duck to go into this cave or we'll hit our heads. So we're sitting down in the bottom of the boat. Josie, you have to sit down here for just a minute. Put your oar up. Here we go. You gotta duck your head. I think you'd have to be here to truly appreciate this. But like, the rocks are right there. There's Dad and Colin and Emily up there. They have installed lights so you can see where you're going. But I have a feeling without these lights, you would have no clue what was happening. Is it scary?
I can't put my head because I'm little.
There's these like weird fossils at the top of the caves, and they're like white and they look like bones almost.
Oh, duck down.
Can they see how crazy this is right now?
Oh my gosh.
I wish I could see this better. Oh my god.
No! Duck your head. I really have no idea what this
I'm getting wet.
By far the very best cave experience I have ever experienced. What do you think?
It was crazy.
Was that fun?
Of course, no.
Josie found a dress she likes. Oh, so beautiful. You like it? Oh, Dad, you don't get hugs for presents every day. Here we go again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Magic wand. Wand. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Leprechaun. Leprechaun. No, leprechaun.
Look at all